welcome to Casto's Close-Up, Episode 5. This week, we're featuring Mario Costellanos from Once Upon a Crime, who's created a gamification business that promises to infuse more life into Main Street stores coast to coast. Once Upon a Crime is a multiplayer location-based mystery which offers clues on players' mobile phones. Clues take consumers to different stores, giving them the time and opportunity to experience what retailers have to offer, make purchases, or give the stores word-of-mouth recommendations. I'm here with Mario Costellanos of Once Upon a Crime. Thank you, Mario, for joining me today and taking the time to speak with us.
Chuck, thank you. This is a tremendous pleasure. I greatly appreciate the time that you and Alignable are giving me.
Oh, that's great. So why don't we dive right in and talk about Once Upon a Crime and what all you're trying to do to keep small businesses going.
Sure. Once Upon a Crime is an app game. The purpose of it is to bring more business to the local merchants, local retailers, local brick and mortar businesses. What we've seen, and that's really one of the reasons that we developed the company, is we're seeing a lot of business going to e-commerce, eBay, and of course, Amazon. And that's fine. Our intent is not to compete against them, but to bring back some business to the locals. And we're doing that with our game app.
Explain to me a little bit about how your app would work with a retailer or a set of retailers.
Well, everyone likes a mystery, right? So that's what ours is. We've developed Once Upon a Crime. Essentially what it is, it's a mystery. And individuals will go from location to the location to find a clue. So as an example, let's say you are going to play a game in your local market, and there might be several games going on at once. You'll find a group of stores that interest you, and these could be 100 different stores selling 100 different types of products, and that game interests you for any number of reasons. You start the game after you've downloaded the app, and you go to your first retailer. And once you're in that retailer, that's when you get a clue. You have to be physically inside the location to find out the clue. You find out what that clue is, and then you have to wait 5 or 6 minutes to find out if your response to that clue is correct. So what do? For 4 or 5 or 6 minutes that you're in there, hopefully you'll find something that really interests you, and you can purchase that product. And of course, the retailer will be very happy. Once you've received your response, then you can go to the next location. The player wins because they get a valuable prize at the end if they've solved the crime. The retailer wins because they've now got increased revenue because this person hopefully has purchased something in their store. They've got increased word of mouth because now this person knows about this store and of course will tell others, and they've got return shoppers.
Tell me a little bit more about the importance of word-of-mouth marketing in what you're doing and what you're doing for the retailers.
For a retailer, word of mouth is gold. Okay. And that's one of the things that we're trying to promote, the advantage of our app and how we can help them promote word of mouth.
Talk to me a little bit about Alignable and how you've been able to use it for this new business.
We got Once Upon a Crime going. I went back to Alignable and I changed some of the information, and I start looking at it and saying, wow, the whole premise of this company is to bring business back to the small business person. Well, that's exactly what we're doing.
Yeah.
Shortly after that, I joined. I became a paying member, and I am now, and it's been fantastic. My intent has been to reach a certain target audience, and I've been able to do that daily. It's been a tremendous opportunity for me to gain new perspective as well on how small business wants to do business. It's been a great opportunity for me to contact some of these different businesses, particularly chambers of commerce, property management companies, merchants associations. They are our target market.
That's wonderful. Well, Mario, thank you so much for joining us today. And I think this is going to be a great segment. And I really encourage all of the retailers watching this to reach out to Once Upon a Crime.
Thank you, Chuck. This has been a great opportunity for us. And I encourage the retailers to reach out to me as well.
Please reach out to Mario via his Alignable profile or his website, onceuponacrime.com. If you'd like to appear in a future segment, please contact me at this email address. And stay tuned for more episodes soon.